Hey everybody, I wanted to do a short video here on a kind of a fire starter here with cotton balls. You can take petroleum jelly and cotton balls and it makes a really good fire starter. So I'll show you how to make these real quick. You'll want to get maybe about that much on a plastic spoon. Take and get it on your cotton ball there, and you want to get it smeared into it real good so it's all pretty much coated. Good thing is these work really great and they're inexpensive. After you get it on it so it's pretty good, you'll want to take and spread it apart some. Something sort of like that. And I got one here to compare it to in burn time that's don't have anything on it. Pull them apart a little. And we'll take and light them here so we can compare them. Usually the ones with the Vaseline on them, if you get them done good, they'll burn for 4 to 5 minutes, which will give you plenty of time to get you some tinder and leaves or whatnot and put on it and get you a good fire started. As you can see, the one that didn't have anything on it is almost burned up now. And the one with the petroleum jelly on it's burning really good. So that's a cheap, inexpensive way to get a fire started, especially if you're out in the wilderness or somewhere camping or something and don't have nothing much with you. So comment down below, subscribe, like my videos, and have a great day everybody. Bye.